Arav found a mango seed in his lunchbox. It was small, smooth, and full of promise. He showed it to his grandmother. "Let's plant it," she said, smiling. Together, they dug a tiny hole beside the courtyard wall, gently placed the seed inside, and covered it with soft dirt. Arav patted the soil, then watched his grandmother water it. For weeks, nothing happened. Arav dug the soil once, hoping to see a sprout, but his grandmother only shook her head. "Be patient," she said. "A seed needs time." Arav carried a small cup of water to the spot every morning before school. He cleared weeds and whispered to the earth, "Grow strong." He told his friends about the seed at school, but they laughed. "You'll never see a tree from that tiny thing," they said. Arav only grinned and kept watering. Months passed. The rains came. The sun shone. Arav grew taller and so did the plant. One day, as he knelt in the dirt, he felt a tiny green shoot in his hand. His heart jumped. He ran to his grandmother, who laughed with joy. Over the next years, the little plant became a sapling. Arav's routine never changed. A cup of water each morning, a gentle word, and careful weeding. He learned to wait when he wanted fast results, and to care even when the work felt small. When Arav turned 12, the sapling stood as tall as he was. Its leaves whispered in the wind, and its trunk was firm. One hot afternoon, his friends came calling. They were tired from playing cricket and thirsty under the sun. Arav led them to the young tree, broke a small branch full of green leaves, and cooled them in water. He showed them how to pick the leaves, chew them lightly, and suck the sweet drops of sap. His friends stared, amazed. "This tree tastes like mango," one said. Arav smiled and told them the whole story from the seed in his lunchbox to the first green shoot. His friends fell silent, then bowed their heads in respect. Years later, as a young man working in a busy city, Arav faced rush and noise. He remembered the seed he once planted. He realized that big things start with small steps and that patience and care can turn a single seed into shade and fruit. Whenever life felt too fast, Arav paused and thought of the tree. He learned to slow down, to work gently, and to trust time. In the end, the mango tree in his childhood courtyard stood as proof that patience is powerful, and that small acts of care can change our world.